area of circle. That is, area of a circle is pi r square. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, where area of circle is pi r square. Don't get confused between circumference and area. Area is pi r square. Now we can solve some problems related to area. First question, find the area of the circles given that the radius 14 millimeter. So in order to find radius or circumference, what we need? Only radius. So here radius is given 14 millimeter. Here they have asked you to take pi equal to 22 by 7. I said why they are giving such? Because to make our calculation easy. So given r equal to 14 millimeter, then what is the relation for area? Area of the circle is pi r square. So directly applying pi into 14 into 14. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into 14. R is what? 14. So r square means r multiplying 2 times. So 14 into 14. Now 7 and 14, what you have? 7 and 14 you will have 7 in 14 2 times. So cancelling out, what you will have? 2. So this 14 becomes 2. So 22 into 2 you have 44. 44 into 14 you have the answer 616. Second, diameter is given as 49 meter. It's given as diameter, not radius. So for first we have to find the radius. What is radius? Diameter by 2. That is 49 by 2. Here they are not simplifying because it's a multiple of 7. Now substituting in area, pi r square. Pi taking 22 by 7 into 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. Now 7 and 49 are 7 into 7 is 49. Again this 2 can be cancelled by 11. Now nothing common. So 11 into 49 into 7 divided by 2. That is 3773 by 2. You will get 1886.5 meter square. So in this way you have to make the calculation easy. For that if you are getting a multiple of 7 and 2, you should make it like that so that calculation will be easy. Next, radius 5 centimeter. So radius is 5 centimeter, taking pi r square, 22 by 7 into 5 into 5. Here there is nothing to cancel down. So multiplying 22 into 5 into 5, you will get 550. Now 550 by 7 is equal to 78.57 centimeter square. So if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. Circumference is given, nothing else is given. So from the equation of circumference we have to find the radius, then we have to find area. So tell me, what is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. That value is given as 154. So from that equation we have to find r. So given 2 pi r is equal to 154. Now solving for r. So taking, here they have asked you to take pi 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 154. Now solving, taking this 7 in here, 7 comes multiplication and 2 and 22 will coming out down. So r is equal to 154 into 7 by 2 into 22 is equal to, cancelling all, balance we have 49 by 2. That is what? R we have 49 by 2. Now we have to find what? We have to find the area. So area of the sheet is equal to what? What is the equation for area? Pi r square. Now r we got what? 49 by 2. So again substituting 22 by 7 into 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. Why we are multiplying 49 by 2? Because r square. Now cancelling 7, 49, 2 in 22. We have 3773 by 2. That is 1886.5 meter square. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and areas of the circle. Same type of question. Circumference is given. We have to find the radius, then the area. If you know the radius only, we can find area or circumference. Here circumference is given. We have to find the area. So first we have to find what? From the given circumference we have to find what? R. That is 2 pi r is equal to 31.4. Now solving for r, 31.4 divided by 2 into 3.14. What is this? 3.14 pi. Because 31.4 and 3.14, they have a relation, isn't it? So they used 31.4. Now solving, we are getting 5 centimeter. How we are getting means, here 31.4, here 3.14. So just remove the decimal point. 31.4 here after the decimal point you have one place. Here you have two places. So multiply both numerator and denominator with 100. Then you will get here 3140 and here you will get 2 into 314. Now cancelling you will get here 10 by 2 which is 5 centimeter, or directly if you are multiplying and dividing you will get the answer 5 centimeter. So you got R as 5 centimeter. Then finding the area of the circle, what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. What is pi? 3.14 into 5 into 5 you will get 78.5 centimeter square. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? So the minute hand, the length of the minute hand is given and what distance it covers when the time 1 hour moves. That is, imagine this is the clock and this is minute hand, isn't it? Now the tip, it is mentioned that tip. That tip, what is the distance when the tip moves to make 1 hour? 1 hour means it has to move from 12, go like this, then cover all this distance and reach again 12. So that much distance we have to find. That is the question here. So what is that distance? When the minute hand moves from this 12 and reaches 12, it covers 1 hour and that is the boundary distance of this clock. What is that? That is the circumference of the clock. So we have to find the circumference of the clock and it is given. The length of the minute hand is given. So considering the length of the minute hand as the radius, we can find the circumference of the clock. So what is given as that minute 15 centimeter long. So that radius is 15 centimeter. So the circumference is given by 2 pi r. Now substituting 2 into 3.14 into r is 15 centimeter. You will get 94.2. So in 1 hour it is covering the circumference or the total distance around a circle. We can say that distance is 94.2 and that is the circumference of the clock. In this way you have to find out the value. Next question. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. That means from a circle of 4 cm, from a big circle of 4 cm, a small circle of radius 3 cm is removed. That means cut. What is the remaining portion? That means like this. This big circle is 4 cm radius and we have cut this portion. This white portion we have removed. Now we have to find the area of this shaded region. So how we will find it? Both the circles radius is given, isn't it? So what we have to do? The remaining portion area we have to find. So first what we have to do means first find the area of the big circle. That means 4 cm radius circle. Then what circle is removed from that? 3 cm radius circle. So find the area of this 3 cm circle. Then if we subtract this, we will get the remaining area. So radius of the circular sheet is 4 cm. So finding the area of the circular sheet, area is equal to pi r square. Pi into what is the radius? 4 cm is the radius. So 4 into 4, 16 pi. Here I am not substituting the value for pi because we can cancel down pi. That is why 16 pi here. Now what circle is removed? The radius 3 cm circle is removed. So finding the area of the circle removed. So area of the circle is equal to pi r square again. What is the radius? 3. 3 into 3, 9 pi. Now what is the remaining area we have to find? Means this is the larger area, the larger circle area. This is a smaller area, circle's area. If you subtract these two, we will get the area. So area of the remaining sheet means 16 pi minus 9 pi. Here pi is common. So taking pi outside, what we have? 16 minus 9. Pi is common in 2, isn't it? So taking pi common, 16 minus 9. What is 16 minus 9? 7. Then pi. Now give the value for pi. What is the value of pi? 3.14. So 7 into 3.14, 21.98 is the required area. So what we did here, a large circle is given. From that large circle a small circle is removed. So first we found the area of the large circle, then we found the area of the removed circle, then we subtracted. In order to make our calculation easy, we didn't give the value for pi first, because in both the areas pi is common. So to make the calculation easy, we made the pi as such, and last we gave the value and find the value. In this way, make the calculation easy according to us. Next question. A circular flower bed has an area 314 meters square. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has radius of 12 meters. Will the sprinkler can water the entire garden? So what is the question here? A circular flower garden. So a garden is in the shape of a circle. So picturize the picture in your mind. Okay. That garden is having a circular shape, and in the middle of the garden there is a sprinkler. You know what is sprinkler? Used for watering. So it rotates and waters. So its water moves to the every portion. Now the question is whether this sprinkler waters the whole garden. The area of the whole garden is given as 314, and only one more factor is given. This sprinkler waters and what makes a circle. That means where does this water forms? It forms a circle, and that areas and that space radius is given 12 meter. That means that sprinkler waters to an extent of 12 meter. So the question is whether this whole garden will be watered by this sprinkler. So what you have to find is the area. We have to find the area covered by the sprinkler. For that, the radius of the sprinkler, no, not the sprinkler, the watered portion, that area radius is given by the 12 meter, isn't it? Is the sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius. That means that what area that sprinkler covers, its radius is given as 12 meter. So first we have to find what area this sprinkler covers. If it is greater than our area, then we can surely say that it covers. If it is smaller, means that garden does not get enough water. So from the given radius 12 meter, we can find the area given by the sprinkler. So area of the flower garden is 314 meters square. That is given in the question. Now radius of the circular portion covered by the sprinkler 12 meter. Now area of the sprinkler area of the portion covered by sprinkler means pi r square, giving 3.14 into r is 12 here. So 3.14 into 12 into 12. Now you will get 12 into 12 is 144, multiplying you are getting 452.16. So the area made by the sprinkler is 452.16 meters square, and area of our flower garden is 314 meters square. Which is larger? Which area is larger? Area made by the sprinkler. So we can say this garden is watered by the sprinkler. Here nothing we did, we just found the area made by the sprinkler. That sprinkler is watering this garden in a circular shape, and the radius of that shape is given. From that data we are finding the area covered by the sprinkler. So we found that area is greater than the area of the flower garden. So we can say that it waters the garden fully.